Ready.
Right, this is the 3D printed speedy wing. Made in flight with some high winds. Let's just do
Yay.
left, right, up, down.
Okay.
So that one last
Will it fly straight?
CG. The CG is very
Front heavy. Let's see how it works. Not good.
Alright, flight number 2.
It's flying.
Flying, but it is very tail heavy.
Tail.
I mean nose heavy.
Still.
But at speed it's flying. Yeah, it's very sensitive on the pitch.
Speed demon. Ooh. Turns. Woo!
Nice.
Looks like fun. Kom weer naby laat ek
Ek moet nou land.
Coming for landing. Oh!
Well, hello folks. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. So it is quite a few days after the build and the initial fly, but I'm out here at the park again to do another flight. I just wanted to point out a few things. So the way that I had it in the video, the way I had the motor mounted on the outside of the firewall, that was completely wrong. That made the CG way off balance. So please, you have to swap the axis or the axle of the motor around in order for it to fit inside and also be able to mount a propeller. So yeah, here we go for another flight. Yeah. Nice.